here we have a somewhat massive equation involving logs, and we're going to solve for x. Now let's start, of course, by combining logs. So log plus log, we can just combine them by multiplying the contents. So that will be log base 4 of x plus 33 times x plus 3, and that's equal to 3. Okay, so right away, I want to get rid of the log, and I'll do that by kicking the 4 over to the other side of the equation. So x plus 33 times x plus 3, 4 to the power of 3 on the other side, right? Just changing this to exponential form. And at this point, I can just FOIL this. I can expand it. So x times x, x squared, x times 3, 3x. Now 33 times x is 33x, and 33 times 3, 99. And that's equal to 4 cubed, which is 64. Okay, now we can just combine these guys because they're like terms. So x squared plus 3x plus 33x is 36x. And I can subtract 64 from both sides of the equation, right? Just because I want to make it equal to 0. So 99 minus 64 is 35. That's equal to 0. At this point here, you can do one of many things. You could solve this with quadratic formula. You could solve it completing the square. I am personally going to choose factoring. Okay, so I'm going to put an x here, an x there. I'm looking for two numbers that multiply to 35 and add up to 36. Piece of cake. We have 35 and 1. Okay, so that's going to be easy. We want to find what x is, of course. So it's going to be either negative 35, right, or negative 1. Because if I have negative 35 plus 35, that's 0. 0 times anything is 0. Same thing applies with the 1 here. Sorry, negative 1. Negative 1 plus 1 is 0. So are both these answers going to work? Actually, this one won't. Because if we were to plug this in here, negative 35 plus 33, that's negative 2. And log base 4 of negative 2 just doesn't exist. So right away we're going to cross this out as an answer. What about the negative 1 though? The negative 1 will work. Because negative 1 plus 33 is just 32. Negative 1 plus 3 is positive 2. So since these are both positive, it's no problem to have the negative 1 here. So that is a perfectly valid solution. So x is equal to negative 1.